Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Verizon Connect EV fleet tracking, full guide step by step clearly. On the home page, locate the products section. Hover over it to reveal a drop-down menu. From the drop-down menu, select Fleet Management. You will be directed to a page that outlines various fleet tracking solutions. Look for the option specifically related to electric vehicle tracking. Click on it to learn more about the features and benefits. Take your time to read through the information provided. Once you have determined that this solution fits your needs, look for the Get Started or Request a Demo button. Click on that button to proceed. You will be prompted to fill out a form with your contact details. Enter your name, email address, and phone number accurately. Specify your company's name and any additional details required. After filling out the form, submit it for review. A Verizon Connect representative will reach out to you shortly. During the call or meeting, discuss your specific fleet tracking needs. Ask any questions to ensure all your concerns are addressed. Once you're satisfied with the information, request a subscription plan. Review the available plans and choose the one that best suits your fleet size and requirements. After selecting a plan, you will receive an agreement to review. Carefully read through the terms and conditions. If everything looks good, sign the agreement. Next, provide any necessary payment information. Upon successful processing, you will receive a confirmation email. This email will contain details about your subscription and next steps. Follow the link in the email to access your Verizon Connect dashboard. Log in using the credentials provided. From the dashboard, begin setting up your fleet tracking details. Add vehicles and input relevant information as needed. Familiarize yourself with the features available on the dashboard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.